Hey everyone, it's R-Jay Rockwell and welcome to the Rockwell Bar. Today I'm making a classic that's over 150 years old. It's one of my favorites. It's smooth, refreshing, and topped off with a creamy foam. It's the Whiskey Sour. The Whiskey Sour started in 19th century America. Sailors in the 1850s used lemon juice to fight scurvy on long trips. They simply mixed the lemon juice with whiskey and sugar, and history was made. The sweet, sour and strong flavors still makes it a favorite drink at bars worldwide. But enough with the history, let's get started. This is what you need for a whiskey sour. Of course, the whiskey, some lemon juice, some sugar syrup, and of course, some egg white. Don't worry, it's perfectly safe. And if you're not comfortable using fresh egg white, you can use pasteurized one from the grocery store, just like I do. And otherwise, just see it as a protein shake. But better. Start by pouring 50 ml of whiskey into your shaker. Then add the juice of half a lemon, which I freshly squeezed. Half a lemon, it's about 25 ml or 0.85 ounces. Now add 50 ml of sugar syrup to balance that sourness. That's about half an ounce. And last but not least, the egg white to give the whiskey sour a creamy foam. To get that foam just right, do a dry shake first. That means shake it without ice for about 10 seconds. You can already see it's foaming up quite nice. Now add some ice to your shaker and to your glass. 1, 2, 3. And make sure that glass is nicely filled with ice too. And now shake it one more time for about 10 seconds. And shake it hard like it owes you money. Now open it up, get your strainer and pour it over the ice. Look how nice and foamy that is. Now let's speed things up to see that whiskey sour settle. Time lapse! And there you have it, a nice whiskey sour. Let's give this bad boy a try. You got to try this at home. Let me know how yours turned out in the comments below. And if you don't like this drink, you probably need another sip to change your mind. Oh, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, because there's more to come. Well, we're all done here. Keep on rocking and see you the next time. Hey! Today I'm top of... Hey everyone, I think that's over 150. It's smooth. Oh no. You probably need another sip to change your mind. Mm. 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 Mm.